I'll show you how to make a basic cloud word shape effect in Gimp using bucket fill pattern. In first half, we'll be making the patterns. In the second half we'll shape the patterns to an image. I'll link the second half in description sometime soon. Make a new canvas 200 by 200. Next, on text tool, click the filled option next to justify, type the word you want. Bold font if you want a picture to show through. In the final steps, use a different layer mode. Either type the word, repeating to fill the canvas, or duplicate the layer when you reach the width. Right-click a layer in the Layers window, click Flatten Image. Select all, Edit Copy, Edit Paste as, New Pattern. Name the pattern the word along with H for horizontal or V for vertical. Click the Rotate tool, rotate it to 90 degrees. Image, fit canvas to layers. Flatten the image, layer flatten. Repeat this process for all the words you want to use. It may save time if you combine 2 or 3 words in a pattern. I've pre-made all my patterns I'm using for this demo. You can also use the clone tool and stroking an elliptical selection with patterns. Next, open image you want to shape words to, in my case a phone booth. At this point you can close the template you used to make the patterns, as these patterns are now saved in the gallery. Click Free Select tool and click around the sides of your shape, pushing enter if needed to complete the selection. Create a new transparent layer. Layer New Layer, type Transparency. Name the layer the pattern you're using. Click Bucket Fill tool, choose the pattern option. Click icon next to pattern to open the pattern gallery, click the paint bucket on bottom right to open patterns window. Or, Windows dockable dialogues, patterns. This makes switching between patterns easier. Next, click inside the selection to fill with your horizontal font pattern. Create another transparent layer with the selection still active. Choose the vertical font pattern and click the new layer. From here you can choose how to cut the layer to give it depth using the Free Select tool, Rectangle Select tool or the Ellipse Select tool. Turn down the opacity of layer sum so you can see where to erase. Turn it back up when done. To repeat the selection for adding a new layer, pick your first layer that you filled the shape in the Layers window. Fuzzy select its background, invert selection, select invert. Then create a new layer, layer type Transparency. When done cutting away parts of the layers, turn off Visible Eye on the image and background layer. Right-click any of the font layers on the Layers window. Click Merge Visible Layers, push Enter or click OK. Add a new layer, either foreground color or background, default white or black. If black, click the words layer and do colors invert. Then change the color with Colors Colorize, pull saturation to max. Adjust lightness if you need to. Add more depth by selecting half of the image and changing the color of that half. You're done. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Comment, like and subscribe. Until next time.